The biggest advantage of a Leguan is its ability to reach any area. It can traverse woods, mud, snow, even steep inclines, and if you should by some miracle get stuck, just use the outriggers to lift the Leguan out. Leguans can be set up on sloping surfaces, making them an excellent choice for slopes and the like. In addition, there are custom-made trailers available for Leguans, making it effortless to transport the machines to work sites. Well, the best part is that the access platform can be used while the machine is still on the trailer. This is ingenious as it makes working faster, for example when replacing bulbs or adjusting cameras or working with any site with long transitions. One notable advantage is the long reach of the platform. The sturdy boom and chassis make it safe and steady to operate. You can set up in one spot and cover a large area. For example, when working on a house, you can cover an entire wall from one spot. The job will take less time, allowing you to move to the next one more quickly. This is made possible by our heavy investment in safety and safe operations of the platform all the way from the design stage. All Leguans are built to conform to current regulations and standards. Leguans help you reach what you previously could not. Safe and sound.